Stay with Washington, where a dramatic proposal from the White House is now sending tremors across the icy front line of the Arctic and also ripples through the corridors of NATO. A U.S. Republican lawmaker has introduced a bill calling for the annexation of Greenland, a sovereign territory of Denmark and also a part of the NATO alliance. Backed by Donald Trump's long-standing obsession with owning Greenland, the bill even includes the phrasing, by whatever means necessary. That's correct. Now, according to Trump, Greenland is absolutely necessary for U.S. internal security and Arctic defense. As competition with China and Russia heats up across the Arctic, Denmark and Greenland are pushing back hard. They're calling the proposal illegal and unacceptable. But that's not it. In the face of Trump's threats and the congressional approval that's still needed here, now NATO allies are discussing boosting their own military presence in Greenland to block any unilateral U.S. move. Meanwhile, all eyes are stuck on Greenland as we speak, with Trump's top priority being taken over the nation. Tensions are now at an all-time high. Here's a special report highlighting China's pushback on U.S.'s invasion plan of Greenland. Take a look.
The world's frozen north is fast becoming a hot geopolitical flashpoint. Greenland, the vast Arctic island rich in resources and strategic access, is now at the center of a growing global power struggle involving the US, China and Europe. China is pushing back sharply against Washington. Beijing says the US must not use other countries as a pretext to pursue its interest in Greenland, insisting that China's own activities in the Arctic comply with international law.
北极涉及国际社会的整体利益，中国在北极的活动旨在促进北极的和平稳定和可持续发展，符合国际法。
This comes as Donald Trump escalates rhetoric about taking control of Greenland, a move that has alarmed allies and rivals alike. In Denmark, the stakes are being spelled out clearly. Danish MP Rasmus Jarlov recently said important principles are at risk, calling on India to back Denmark as pressure from Washington grows. Greenland itself is pushing back. Political parties across the Arctic island have united in rejecting Trump's repeated threats, saying Greenland's future must be decided by its people, not imposed by foreign powers. The island, an autonomous territory of Denmark, sits at the crossroads of global competition, prized for its location near Arctic shipping routes and untapped natural resources. Meanwhile, New Delhi is watching closely, weighing principles of sovereignty, strategic partnerships, and the growing contest between major powers. As climate change opens new routes and resources in the far north, Greenland is no longer just a remote island. It's a global chessboard, and the next moves could reshape the balance of power far beyond the Arctic Circle. Bureau Report for NDTV World.